So I'm going to teach you how to play. Oh, ignore this bag on my leg. I've got a fucked up kidney. Well, not fucked up kidney, fucked up bladder. But in the meantime, let me teach you how to play Void Surfing by Animate. So it's in drop E. No, sorry. Double drop. D sharp, sorry. But I'm in E. I believe I'm in E. E-ish. It's probably a bit flat or something. Anyways, to play it, you want to... Oh, because I'm on a 6th string, I'm just missing... If you're in E, because I'm playing in E, it will just be missing the 6th string. So this will be the 7th. There will be a 6th string here. I'm just not including that, so it's an octave. It's just E and E. You don't really need that 6th string when you're playing this riff necessarily. But if you have a 7th string, just interchange a certain note. I think it's this one. I think that's the only time you use that note in this riff, or that string, sorry. So I just do it here, rather than on a string that will be here. Anyways, let me get to the riff. So the intro riff is so 12, and then you got the dissonant chord. And then you want to do 4 chugs, and then you want to try your best to get a pinch harmonic on this note. When you do the pinch harmonic, the way you want to bend the note is it's like a quick bend, a quick sharp bend. Then you go back to the normal note, and then you go sharp again. So it's like me, me, kind of sounds like that, like. If you get what I mean, it's just that kind of like quick bend, then sharp again, but you do it fast. Like snappy. So yeah, that's the bend. And then once you do that quick snap, you do. Now you can play this 2 ways. I think it's this note. So, or you can do like this note, but you can quickly bend it sharp, and then, I'm not sure which way it's actually played, but yeah, either you want to go, or you want to do the bend, quick bend to open, so, and then you go, yeah, so it's an octave chord. And then from there, yeah, so it's the, wait, let me just make sure. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16, and then just here. And then 2 chugs, I think. Then you go. And then this tapping bit is really cool. You go to 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17. You tap to open, pull off. And then on this string, you hammer that. Then you hammer back here on the 12. Then you hammer back down on this note. So. Then you slide to this note. Then you hammer on this note. Pull off to that note. And then slide to here. And then So it should be like this. So. Get it? So it'll be like yeah, so, and then now with this bit, I believe it's one note here, one pick, and then double pick. I like to play it a little bit differently. Same amount of notes, but I prefer to tap like this. So I'll pick the first note, then I'll tap the first note and pick the second one. That's just what I like to do. Just kind of has a cool sound to it. Also, I just find it easier to go back to the down pick and the next bit after. I don't know why. It just like improves my accuracy a little bit personally, but you can double pick it if that's easier for you. But I like to. That's just what I like to do. Then you go. So pick that note, pull off. Wait, I forgot how to play it, hold on. Oh yeah, so you go, pull off, and then you want to go to this note. And then this string, just above the high E. And then you pinch harmonic that note. On this pinch harmonic, you just want to do a sharp bend. So go sharp and back to normal, rather than this one, which is a sharp bend to normal and then sharp again. Like this one's just, whereas this first one is, and then this one's just, can't really hear it. Yeah, but it's just a quick sharp bend to the normal note. And then the final bit is, oops, the, so you're doing pick here, pick hammer, and to stop playing this note, you just want to lift your finger up on that quickly. As soon as you hammer, see my finger comes off here, and then you want to tap on the 24th fret B string. So it's the same note. It's sorry, wait. Yeah, that's like so. Does that make sense? And then you go to here. Then it's this note. So my playing's a bit sloppy. Kind of messed it up a little bit, but you get the idea. Yeah. Practice it. It's a little bit tricky to get the timing right on some of the bits, so it's best to just play along with the song, practice to the metronome, because you might jump ahead a little bit. Like usually when I play it without the song, I tend to play faster than the song, and it kind of throws me off a little bit. Yeah, I tend to play it a bit faster. But yeah, that's how you play it, I guess. Hopefully that was a clear explanation. The next bit is just, you know, I think it's something like that, you know. And then, yeah. But anyways, that's how you play it.